Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Siacoin latest update. What's going on in a Siacoin? What's surprising so in the Siacoin? In this video I will share the latest update. But my friends, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friend, in this time, first of all, if we talk about the price of the Siacoin, so 0.011084 USD dollar is the current price of the Siacoin. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes over in the Siacoin is a negative, the last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week changes over in the Siacoin is negative, my friends. So this means that we can't say about the future. Sometimes the price pump, sometimes the price jump, so we can't say about the future. But anyways, my prediction, my personal opinion about Siacoin is positive. And you know what, now I think at the last of this month the price of the Siacoin will increase and highly increase, and the last of this month the price of Siacoin will highly increase. So I think I recommend for all of you to wait for to the last of this month, my friends, because the price will increase, my friends. Anyways, we can't say about the future, my friends. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Let's see the price chart and let's see the more update about a Siacoin. Anyways, my friends, just tell me one question answer in a comment box, that how do you feel today about a Siacoin, good or bad? Just write your answer in a comment box. I will check it, my friends. So my friend, in this time the chart is not opening, but from the data that's clear that we can't say about the future. Sometime the price positive, sometime the price negative, but everything will be okay, my friend. As I told you that just hold to the last of this month, the price will increase. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.